My school. I go to school every day from Monday to Friday. I wake up early in the morning, get dressed, and have breakfast. My school is not far from my house, so I walk there with my friends. We like walking because it gives us time to talk and laugh together. My school is big and has many classrooms. The building is tall, with 3 floors. There is also a large playground where we play during breaks. Near the playground, there is a garden with flowers and trees. I like sitting there when I need to relax. When I reach school, I go to my classroom. The classroom is a place where we learn new things. There are desks and chairs for all the students and a big board in front where the teacher writes. The walls are decorated with posters and drawings made by the students. It is a bright and happy place. We have different subjects to study in school. My favorite subject is English. I love reading stories and learning new words. The teacher often gives us short stories to read, and then we discuss them in class. I like this because it helps me understand the story better. We also study math, science, and history. Math is sometimes hard, but the teacher explains it well so I can understand. In science class, we learn about animals, plants, and the earth. I think science is interesting because it helps me understand the world around me. History is fun because we learn about people and events from the past. Knowing what happened long ago is exciting. Our teachers are very kind. They help us when we do not understand something. If we make a mistake, they show us how to correct it. They want us to do well and always encourage us to try our best. I feel lucky to have such good teachers. After a few classes in the morning, we have a short break. During this time, we go outside to the playground. My friends and I like to play soccer or run around. Sometimes we sit and talk or share snacks. Break time is fun because it gives us a chance to relax before going back to class. After the break, we go back to the classroom and continue with our lessons. In the afternoon, we have more subjects to study. I enjoy art class because we get to draw and paint. The teacher gives us different projects, like making posters or drawing pictures of animals. It is a creative time where we can use our imagination. At the end of the day, we have another break, which is longer. This is the lunch break. I usually bring food from home. Sometimes I share my lunch with my friends, and they share theirs with me. After eating, we have time to play again. I enjoy this break because it is the longest one of the day. When the school day is over, I feel tired but happy. I say goodbye to my teachers and friends, and we all go home. On the way home, I think about what I learned that day. I like to tell my family about my day at school when I get home. They ask me about my classes and my friends, and I enjoy sharing my experiences with them. School is not just about learning from books. It also teaches us important things about life. We learn how to work with others, how to share, and how to solve problems. When we do group work, we have to listen to each other's ideas and work as a team. This teaches us how to cooperate and respect different opinions. We also learn to be responsible. For example, we have to do our homework on time. If we do not finish our homework, we cannot keep up with the lessons. Doing homework helps us practice what we learned in class. Sometimes the homework is easy, and sometimes it is hard, but it is always important. Another thing we learn at school is how to be polite, and kind. Our teachers tell us to always be respectful to everyone, not just to the teachers, but also to our classmates and school staff. If someone needs help, we should offer help. This makes the school a friendly place where everyone feels welcome. I like going to school because I learn new things every day. I also get to see my friends and spend time with them. We help each other with studies and we have fun together. Sometimes we study for exams together, and other times we just talk and enjoy our time. These friendships make school even more enjoyable. One of the most exciting times at school is when we have special events. Sometimes the school organizes sports days where we play different games and compete with other classes. I like these events because they are a break from our usual routine and we get to show our talents. Another event I enjoy is the annual school fair. There are games, food stalls, and performances by students. It is a fun day where everyone enjoys themselves. In the future, I know that what I learn in school will help me a lot. School is the place where we prepare for our future. The knowledge and skills we gain will help us when we grow up. We can choose to be doctors, teachers, engineers, or anything else we want. School gives us the tools to follow our dreams. I am grateful for my school and everything it teaches me. I know that education is very important. Without school, I would not know how to read, write, or do many other things. I am lucky to have the chance to go to school and learn every day. In conclusion, school is not just a place to study. It is a place where we grow, make friends, and learn about life. It helps us become better people and prepares us for the future. I am happy to go to school because I know it is helping me become the best person I can be.